visitors, navigating through the Maigatari International Cattle Market requires a measure of caution. The sights of hundreds of hostile and mean-looking bulls fills one with a sense of impending danger. And it takes courage to waltz on by these bovine creatures, even with the presence of a guide. Maigatari International Cattle Market is located in Maigatari, the headquarters of Maigatari Local Government Area, a town along the Nigeria-Niger Republic border in the northern part of Jigawa state in northern Nigeria. Although the space is approximately not more than 200 meters square, the supply of over 2 million stock of cattle during the weekly trade has established Maigatari as the biggest cattle market in the country. Established about 150 years ago,
shi Maigatari nan kudu kaɗan akwai wani falki wanda aka zo aka tarar da gatari a gurin, to shine dalilin da yasa aka ce Maigatari.
It initially started as a small local meeting spot known as Duria between the Kanawa, people from Kano, and the Anfaranshi, those of the present-day Niger Republic. Back then, the Kanawas brought ornaments, locally weaved textiles and dyed clothing materials, while the Anfaranshi came with potash, raffia, doom tree fruits, locally known as goruba, especially the dried peels of the fruit. Both parties traded and exchanged these commodities, and as time went by and activities increased, Duria was upgraded into a proper market, while Thursday was adopted as market or trading day. This was at a time when there were no motor vehicles to move people around. People had to walk or ride animals to get to the market. Gradually, stalls for animals used for transportation, such as camels, donkeys, and horses, had to be built. Eventually, sheds for cattle, sheep, and goats were built as well, as trading in livestock overtook other commodities. Between October and January, trading at the market reaches its peak, as at least 1 billion Naira is traded every week. During this period, at least 5,000 cows, bulls, and calves arrive from Niger, Chad, and Cameroon, with about 70% traded on average. Majority of the buyers come from Lagos, Wari, Port Harcourt in southern Nigeria, while some come from Kaduna and even across the border as far as Ghana. Thousands of smaller livestock, such as sheep and goats, also arrive in Maigatari from Niger and parts of Nigeria. Buyers send trailer loads of these to Lagos, Benin, Asaba, Port Harcourt, and other cities across Nigeria. Before the ban on its exportation by the Niger Republic, at least 35 trailers of donkeys were traded every week. Major buyers come from Imo and Delta states, with some others from the north who use the animals for farming and transportation. Camels come in mainly from Niger Republic. However, some Nigerians have started rearing them for commercial purposes. When the Sallah festival approaches, the prices often go up. The big camels fetch a price well over 250,000 Naira, while the young ones cost over 100,000. The buyers are mostly butchers, although some use them for cultivation. The supply of horses comes from the Niger Republic, as well as Sokoto, Yobe, Bauchi, Kano, and Jigawa states. The prices range from 50,000 Naira for small ones. However, the price of a stallion ranges between 250,000 and 500,000.
A kasuwanci da ake yi a kasuwar Maigatari ya haɓaka don in lokacin kaka ne aƙalla za a yi ciniki kamar na biliyan 1 a kasuwar Maigatari. Baya da kasuwar Maigatari da wahala ka zo da miliyan 50 ka yi ciniki wani ma bai san ba ka zo kasuwar.
Although livestock is the dominant commodity at Maigatari, there are other items traded such as ornaments, clothing materials, wares, kitchen utensils, and numerous others.